Welcome back, smart buyers. Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two popular 3D printers, the Sovol SV06 and the Creality K1C. Let's see which one comes out on top. First, let's look at the price. The Sovol SV06 is quite budget-friendly at $249, making it an excellent choice for those looking to dip their toes into 3D printing without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the Creality K1C is priced at $599, which might seem steep but promises to pack in a lot of advanced features. When it comes to speed, the Sovol SV06 offers a respectable range of 50 mm per second to 150 mm per second, which is decent for most hobbyist projects. However, the Creality K1C takes the lead here with a blazing speed of 600 mm per second. Reviewers appreciate the K1C's ability to complete prints incredibly fast, making it ideal for those who prioritize speed. Looking at the extruders, the Sovol SV06 features a planetary dual-gear direct drive, which ensures accurate extrusion and smooth filament feeding. Reviewers have praised its reliability and ease of use. Meanwhile, the Creality K1C boasts a clog-free direct extruder, which has been highlighted in reviews for its efficiency and minimal maintenance. Both printers can reach a maximum temperature of 300. The Sovol SV06 achieves this with an all-metal hot-end setup, which is praised for its durability. The Creality K1C, on the other hand, uses a steel-stripped copper nozzle with a titanium alloy heat break, giving it a more advanced edge. Users have noted the K1C's superior performance in handling high-temperature materials. In terms of auto-leveling, the Sovol SV06 features a 25-point auto-leveling system, which reviewers find very convenient for hassle-free printing. The Creality K1C goes a step further with auto-Z offset, auto-leveling, and even an auto-input shaping test, offering a more comprehensive and user-friendly experience. For the build plate, the Sovol SV06 uses a PEI-coated plate, which makes removing prints a breeze. Reviewers appreciate this feature for its practicality. The Creality K1C doesn't emphasize its build plate as much, but given its other advanced features, users are generally satisfied with its overall performance. The Creality K1C stands out with its smart AI functions, including AI LiDAR for scanning the first layer and an AI camera for recognizing print failures. Reviewers are impressed with these intelligent features, which add a layer of sophistication. The Sovol SV06, while lacking AI, offers a 32-bit silent board, which is appreciated for its quiet operation. When it comes to cooling, the Sovol SV06 has standard cooling fans, which get the job done. However, the Creality K1C features upgraded fans, which reviewers have noted for their effectiveness in maintaining optimal print quality during long sessions. Lastly, customer service is an important factor. The Sovol SV06 comes with a 1-year warranty and lifetime tech support, which reviewers have found reassuring and helpful. The Creality K1C doesn't emphasize customer support as much, but its robust feature set may reduce the need for frequent assistance. Overall, reviewers find the Sovol SV06 to be an affordable and reliable option, perfect for hobbyists and beginners. It's praised for its ease of assembly, print quality, and auto-bed leveling. On the other hand, the Creality K1C is celebrated for its speed, advanced features, and smart AI functions, making it a great choice for those who want cutting-edge technology in their 3D printing projects. So which 3D printer do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Product links are in the description. Happy printing!